Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. I will discuss about how to install 7-zip software. It is used for zip and unzip the any file. Let's start the downloading. Open Chrome browser, type 7-zip. I am installing in Windows 11, so I'm typing 7-zip Windows 11. Go to official website. You can choose second one www.7-zip.org. Open. See here, 7-zip is free software with open source. It is a open source software. Main features of 7-zip are see carefully packing and unpacking 7Z, XZ, some another zip, etc. Unpacking only. These are the supports. Some more extra features also there. And supported works in Windows 11, 10, 8, 7. These are the let's start the downloading. They are provided .exe file. Download .exe file. Here it is very less MB, so it is downloaded. Open folder. It will open the download folder. Control X, go to D drive, software. Every software is better to create one new folder. So I'm creating new folder called 7-zip. New folder. Seven zip. Control V. Right click. Open. Yes. It will ask, do you want to proceed? Then you can change the installation directory C to D. D is not recommended to install any software in C drive. So if you want, you can also install in C, but I am installing in D drive. Yeah, installation done. So I will create one sample Java program. Like I will download from the Spring Initializer project and I will show go to unzip. Maximize. Open another tab. Spring Initializer. Initializer. Here, this is the Spring Initializer. So I will create one dummy project here. It will download like zip format. Here, this is zip. I will show auto install by using 7-zip. Right click. Here more 7-zip. Extract here. It is recommended to extract by using 7-zip. I'm deleting both two files. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.